Have you tried oil roti? This Guyanese recipe traces back to India and is actually a paratha. The roti turns out super soft and flaky. You'll be able to mop up any dal or curry with it perfectly. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. 3 cups of Maida, plain flour. I'm going to season it with a bit of salt, about half a teaspoon, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. That's right. So this roti or paratha has baking powder in it, probably the European influence. I'll give it a mix and then add in a tablespoon of vegetable oil, mix it lightly, and pour in 1 and 1/4 cup of lukewarm water and just keep mixing till all the dough comes together. You could do it with your fingers, but I like to use a spoon. I'll add in a bit extra water because I can see some dry flour at the bottom, and that should take care of it. Time to take it out. And it's time to knead the dough till it becomes smooth. It's a bit sticky at this time, but as you keep tucking it in, use a bit of flour. Pour a bit of oil, smear it all over, put it back into the bowl, cover it and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. That has been rested, so I'll just take it out onto my work surface. Looks good. Knead it one more time. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comments. So keep the rest covered while you roll out one of them. Dusting of flour to help with the rolling. Roll it out as thinly as you can. So make the biggest roti that you can. Never mind the shape. So that's what I managed. I'll drizzle a bit of oil and smear it all over. I'm using my hand. You could use a spatula or a brush. So this is where it gets its name, oil roti or paratha. A dusting of flour. Recipe traveled to Guyana from India. So just a different way of making the paratha. Turns out really nice. Fold it in half. Cut it in two, and then just gather it towards the center. That's one done. Keep that to a side, and similarly just fold the next one. That's two done. Similarly, get on with the rest of them. Once they are all done, roll out the balls with a light dusting of flour. Hot tawa. Can you see the bubbles appearing? I am using a mixture of oil and ghee to smear the rotis or paratha. You could use only ghee, only oil, only butter. Cook the roti, flipping from side to side till it puffs up and gets a light color on it. Look at that beautiful color. And this one is done. Serve the roti with any dal, curry or sabzi and enjoy.